Hello everyone, today we are going to make a weaved mat. For this we need 15 by 15 of this sheet. Then we need scissors, we need pencil, scale, and we need some strips of around 16 to 17 centimeters of length, and their breadth can be of around half a centimeter. So now we're going to start. This is 15 by 15 centimeters of sheet. By using a pencil and a scale, we have to mark 2 centimeters from both the sides. From all the sides, from all the corners, we have to mark 2 centimeters, and then after doing this we have to join them into lines, and this is how it will be formed. Now since we have this square in the center, we are going to use this square, and in this square only we are going to make certain lines, and we'll be making the weaving thing inside it. Now what you need to do is, from this part I am making a point until here, you need to mark some points which are of gap 1 centimeters each, like that. And after marking these, you have to do the similar thing on the opposite side as well. Make sure that these are of 1 centimeters of gap. Now you have to join it into the lines. And this is how it will be formed. Now what you need to do is, after doing this, you will get this pattern which is formed, and you have to make certain cuts around this pattern. What you need to do is, you have to start from here till here. You need to make the cut. I'll show you how to do that. First of all, use your scissors, pinch it there, and then you need to extend it to the last, and then a cut will be formed like that. And you have to do the similar thing with all the lines. Now when this whole thing is done, when all these cuts are made along all these lines, now we'll start the weaving. We'll use these strips for doing the weaving. First of all, take one strip, and what you need to do is, you have to put the strip inside this cut around, like from any of the side, and at the back it will look something like this. Now what you need to do is, you have to pick it up from the other end, and this is how it will does. You'll skip one and then again put it into the other one, and again skip one and do it in the other one, and you have to follow the same step along all these cuts. And when you'll complete putting all of them in the same pattern, it will look something like this. Now when the first one is done, it will look something like this, and make sure you put it at the end. Now for putting the last strip, like the second strip, what you need to do is, you have to start from the bottom. Since you've started it from the top, the first strip has been started from the top, you have to start from the bottom, the second one, like this, and you have to follow again the similar step. Now what will you see is, the first strip has been skipped from here, but the second won't be the same. It will come on the top of this place where the first one has been skipped. So you have to continue the same thing with all the strips. Okay. After doing all these, you will see that it will look something like this. And now you can like whatever side you want to be the front part, just use the back part, and you need to fold all the strips, the extra ones, like this. Make sure that you fold only on one side and not on both the sides. Both the extra parts have to be folded on one side. And after folding these, you can put some glue at the back of all these, and you can paste them there. And this has to be done on left as well as on the right side. Now when you're done with all these foldings, you can put the glue and paste it there. You can put some glue at the back of all these, and you can paste them there. And at the back of it, you can paste some other paper to like have a good back. And at the front, you can paste some stickers or something like this. And this is how it will be formed. So this was all for today. Thank you.